Are you ready for two jam-packed albums full of your favorite microscopic hits? Journey to the Microcosmos, the soundtrack volumes 1 and 2 make it possible for you to live every day like you're in the microcosmos. This 21-song collection is available exclusively through the Project for Awesome and features such hits as Aggro by Andrew Huang, Night Ocean by Andrew Huang, and old favorites like Bumbling by Andrew Huang, and Andrew Huang's Comfy Wonder. This all-new collection features 21 memorable hits on 2 digital albums for only $13. All your favorite hits are right here, right now on this never-before-available collection. To order, go to the address on your screen. This collection is not sold in stores and is only available until February 16th, so don't wait. Go to the address on your screen now to get Journey to the Microcosmos Volumes 1 and 2 for only $13. That's 2 albums, 21 hits for just $13. Order today.